CapCut PC. So here I've already you can just go straight into the settings. So don't open any projects, but click on this gear icon at the top, and here go to settings, click on settings again. Sorry. So after you click on the settings, there will be this pop-up, and on the draft option there will be this cache size that you can see. So this is my current cache file, and to delete or remove it you can just click on the trash icon and click on OK. So you don't need to worry because it won't be affecting your projects, any projects. After that you can just wait until the removing process is finished, and after that you can click on save. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.